Science is discovery. Science is asking questions. Science is curiosity.
There's so many questions in the world that we come across every day, and figuring out what is it that makes things fit together the way they do? How can I predict what's going to happen?
It allows us to advance and gain a better understanding of the world around us.
We always want to know what's beyond what we know. We've always been interested in exploring the unknown, and I think that human beings are curious.
The highest achievement of a human beings can have is try to understand the world.
I think it takes sort of a fundamental belief that the world is amazing and interesting, and that you want to A, understand it, and B, improve it.
People are doing science in various ways for as long as there have been people.
Anytime you're looking up and you're noting the color of the sky, you're basically doing science.
Science is everywhere. Science is in the morning, at night, when you wake up, when you go to sleep.
When most people think of science, they think of a lab, but science is all around us, and so the world's kind of our laboratory.
Why do I do what I do? Because I want to understand.
I don't know a single human who doesn't ask questions, and that curiosity drives us forward.
Very often, we're driven by utilities. We want to gain something to do things. But curiosity is like we just do something, try to understand unknowns without clear promise of reward.
I was lucky to start in the beginning of the space age when we didn't know anything about the regions outside Earth's atmosphere.
Asking hypothetical questions like what if allows us to open up the boundaries of what we know and explore beyond those.
What if a machine can talk to humans like would we talk to each other?
What if we could use sediments from our past to predict future climate?
What if we could see molecules everywhere, just like we see a chair or a table?
What kinds of properties can geometric objects have?
How does this work?
Every time you perform an experiment as a scientist, you have this excitement about the outcome. Most of the time, you have no real clue what the outcome will be.
The thrill of discovery has sort of a very close cousin, and that is confusion.
Much of it is confusion in the sense that you don't know what to make of the result you just measured. It doesn't fit your a priori assumption. You don't have another explanation, and you're just looking at it in confusion.
I love the unknown. It's like putting back together a puzzle.
And then everything clicks.
Somehow unrelated, that idea just push it out from nowhere to your brain.
It's a wonderful feeling, and it kind of sustains you through the later periods of being confused again.
Those moments does not belong to you, belongs to humanity.
There's the sense of adventure in trying to explore and find out where you're going, and then the kind of delight when things fall in place and you understand something that you never understood before. Sometimes it's something that nobody has ever understood before.
But there's always a sense that one can do more, and that one should do more, and that one must do more.
Because we depend on scientists to prevent climate change. We depend on scientists to make better treatments for disease.
I think we still have a whole lot more to understand and then to make people's life better.
I just want to make my little corner of the world a better space.
We are the pioneers.
We are explorers.
We are the doers.
We are UCLA Physical Sciences.
Come join us.
Come join us.